What if I told you that in just 5 minutes, you could create viral YouTube thumbnails that guarantee higher clicks without spending a single dollar? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design pro-level thumbnails that'll make people stop scrolling and click, all using 2 free AI tools. And hey, you'll know it worked since you clicked on this video and now you're watching me. That's just the power of AI authority. If you've ever struggled to make your thumbnails pop or wondered how big creators get their designs so polished, I'll show you how to do that. We'll be using Canva to design the base of our thumbnail and Leonardo AI to generate eye-catching, custom images that'll grab attention. And I'll give you pro tips to make sure your thumbnails are optimized. First up, we'll need to open up Canva. Canva is a free design tool that's super easy to use, even if you're a beginner. If you don't have an account, signing up is free and takes only a minute. Once you're logged in, click Create a Design, then search and choose the YouTube thumbnail option. Canva will automatically give you the correct dimensions, which are 1280 by 720 pixels. Now, you can choose a bold background color. This can act as the foundation for your thumbnail. Bright colors like red, yellow, or blue work great because they catch people's eyes instantly. And we want to use contrasting colors to make our thumbnail stand out. As we will be using an image background, we won't need to set a background color, but it's good to select a color scheme for your project. Next, let's use Leonardo AI to generate a powerful image for our design. Head over to Leonardo AI and create a free account. Once you're in, you'll use the text prompt feature to generate the image. For example, if your video is about productivity, you can type "person working at a desk with a dynamic atmosphere" or "futuristic office with glowing lights." Let Leonardo AI do its magic, and boom, it generated a high-quality image to use in our thumbnail. Once you're happy with the image, download it, then take it to Canva and upload your AI-generated image there. Now that you've got the base and your AI image, it's time to add the magic touches that'll make your thumbnail pop. Add a headline that sums up your video's promise. Keep it big, bold, and easy to read. Use bright colors that contrast this with the background. Going with our example of productivity, I'm going to write down 3 simple hacks. Keep the text at 2, 3 words to maximize its impact. You don't want to add too much to the thumbnail, as you want it to be simple and clear for the viewer. To make the text stand out, use shadows, outlines, or bold fonts. This will give a glow to your thumbnail and give it a 3D element that pops out of the screen. Then adjust the settings of the image to fit the vibe of your niche. So in the productivity space, we want to add a vignette, lower the brightness and contrast to give it a slightly darker and more serious tone. Before we finish, here are a few final tweaks to make sure your thumbnail is polished. First, consider adding elements. Consider adding arrows, icons, or shapes to draw attention to key parts of your thumbnail. In this case, I'm going to add an arrow to direct the viewer's attention to the point of focus, which is our AI-generated character. Then think about how to keep the thumbnail clean. Avoid clutter and adding unnecessary aspects to the thumbnail. Simplicity is key to success here. Then, once you're satisfied, click Download in Canva and select PNG for the best quality. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a viral-worthy thumbnail using Canva and Leonardo AI, and you didn't have to spend any money. These free tools make it easier than ever to design thumbnails that stand out in the crowded YouTube space. And now, you can create them in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube channel using AI and design tools. And be sure to check out my last video where I show you how to make viral YouTube shorts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.